Welcome everybody. Today I am going to discuss with you how to create this taxi fare calculator program. This is not a difficult program according to this sample discussion, but we can create this taxi fare program very easily. So the code for the program below, we calculate the fare for a taxi ride depending on the distance and number of passengers. We should add 50% onto the total if there are more than 5 passengers. So there is a simple formula to calculate the cost according to this program, and we have this kind of interface. There are 3 labels and 2 text boxes, and also there is only a 1 button and 1 form. And after that, after we calculate the result or calculate this taxi fare, we have to display this result in the message box like this one. So let's see how to create this program, this taxi fare program within the Microsoft Visual Basic. And first of all, I'm going to open the Visual Studio 2010 in my computer. Visual Studio 2010 is loading, and after that I'm going to create the new project by using File New Project or the New Project shortcut. You can select the Windows Home application. It's not the problem about the framework, .NET Framework 2.0 or 4.0, and after that name the project very carefully without these spaces. I'm going to name this project as the taxi fare, and as the first step, our safety step, save the entire project according to your folder, the file path. I'm going to resize this form and change this form name as FRM taxi, and after that I'm going to change the text property in this form as the taxi text, and after that my current position, center screen, and minimize box and maximize box I'm going to display in here in these properties, and going to get the label as the LBL taxi topic, and change the text as taxi fare calculator pro taxi fare calculator. Okay, now I'm going to change my form resizable method by using in this property form body style as the fixfinger. Now user cannot resize the form when the program on running, and change the font size and font interface, font style with the font property in this label, and create a new label in here as there will be a distance. So this is the distance label. Going to change the text property distance kilometer, and after I'm going to copy this distance label and LBL passenger, and after that I'm going to emit as passenger. Then get a new text box in here. I'm going to name this text box as txt distance with the name property txt distance, and another text box I have, copy and paste. I will name it as txt passengers. There is a simple modification, not the passengers, only we have number of passengers. So change the text property, the LBL passengers label, and then I am going to align this label as the right alignment, create a new button here. I am going to name this button as the BTN calc button, or you can name this button as BTN fare. Any kind of name you can use with the prefix, the relevant prefix, and calculate the fare, the text of this button, and save this project. And I'm going to run this project, debug this project. There are no errors according to this project. Double click on that button, and I'm going to declare my variables in here, public and between the public and private sub. So I have to declare two variables to store the distance and passengers. So I'm going to create those variables by using dim keyword. This is the dim _distance, _passengers. There are two variables, _distance and _passengers, as double, because _distance, that means distance will be have the decimal number, not the passengers. The passengers are integer, but sometimes _distance, that distance may be decimal. So I assign the values for variables. I'm going to assign the relevant values. That means _distance equal, I'm going to use the keyword val keyword to get the value. Which kind of value? What is the value? txt distance dot text. That means that txt distance object property. I'm going to assign the value for the _distance, and I'm going to do the same thing to the _passenger. Assign those values to the two variables, distance and passengers. And I'm going to find the cost in here. So before to find the cost according to our formula, I have to declare the relevant variable in here, _cost. So I can calculate the _cost by using the above formula in the paper, but there is no distance variable. Our program have the _distance variable. So after that we can check by our code is correct or incorrect by console.writeLine. That means our result will be displayed on the output window. Now I'm going to enter distance as the example, kilometer, 5 kilometers, and calculate where. You can see the output window, we have the 11. That means we have the 11, the correct result. And after that 5 by 6, that means there are 6 passengers. We don't calculate the relevant result because we have to add 50% for the cost if the passengers are greater than 5. So I'm going to write down a if function in here, a simple if function here. I'm going to check my condition, _passenger variable is greater than 5. That means not the greater than or equal, it's greater than 5. If my passengers are greater than 5, I'm going to recalculate my _cost variable. That means _cost multiplied by 150 divided by 100, because add 50% for the _cost. So it is simply 150 divided by 100. It will be going as the 1.5. So I can multiply my _cost variable by using 1.5 number, and as the last step I can show this result on the message box just like that. So I'm going to type in here message box.show. That is the method for showing the message box. What I'm going to show in here, _cost variable, and caption is empty, and only the message box button is okay. But when you are empty the caption, you have to insert the double quotations in there. So I have some sentence in here. I'm going to concatenate this sentence. The cost of the journey is, that is the sentence. We can concatenate this one with the and symbol, so that the cost of the journey is 11 euros, but I'm going to use the LKR symbol here, because LKR is our currency format. And after that we can run here, distance is 5 and number of passengers 4, LKR 11 is right, and after that 5 by 6, LKR 16.5. So this is the program in here. It's a simple program according to this Visual Basic programming concept. So let's take another video and we can discuss basic things or various kind of things in next videos. And now you can create this Textafear program very easily by after this video. Thank you.